Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about how you can identify if your applications are 32-bit or 64-bit on Macintosh. This is especially useful for the Catalina update and especially prior to updating your software, because as you might know, Apple has decided to no longer support 32-bit applications, and that will happen in the Catalina update. So if you will update your macOS to Catalina, your 32-bit applications will no longer work. So the way how you can check the applications is if you go to the Apple icon at the top, press about this Mac. You can see that I have already updated my macOS to Catalina. Press System Report, and then there are two places you might want to check. So the first one is Legacy Software. I have updated most of my applications. However, you would be able to see information here which ones is recommended to update. And then the other place you might want to check is Applications, and you will see the full list of applications you have installed on the Mac. This takes a while to load, however, you can see here, and then select any application you want. So for example, I don't know, App Cleaner. And then here you will see kind 64-bit. So go through this list and see which ones of your applications are 64 and which ones are 32-bit. As I said, this is especially useful if you want to update your macOS to Catalina. So that way you can see which applications you will need to update. So prior to updating, check with the software developer if they have a newer version that will be compatible with Catalina, because I know that some of the software they still have not made a compatible version. So I hope that this was useful. You have learned how to check the applications and what kind of applications they are on macOS. And see you guys in my next tutorial.